Hello tubers and welcome to the Piston Alignment Workshop once again. If you're new to the channel, it's good to see you, thank you for joining us, and if you're a returning subscriber, as always, it's good to see you once again. Now this is a continuation of the Scrambler project, the XJ600.
Why have I got numbers on my face?
Because that's the recording numbers,
Right,
they'll go, don't worry.
Right.
We'll be able to see your pretty little face.
That's good then.
And last time, yeah, we were tackling the front end of the bike after jacking it up on the new jack. If you've not seen that video, please check it out. I might put it up here or go back and find it in the archives.
Link in the description up here.
Yeah. So
or down there. The description's at the bottom, isn't it?
We have two sets of yokes.
Ooh.
This is our original XJ.
It's no yoke, you know.
It's not. And this is our new what are they? KTM ones. Yeah, that's it. And as you can see, there's a bit of a length difference, but that's not going to be too much of an issue. This will still work through the headstock, but we're having to adjust the
Mac and talks a lot, doesn't he?
the bearings. I need to get the point across first.
Oh, right, okay.
So we've robbed the lower bearing off this, and this will fit on this. But the top one, I can get the bearing case and give you a demo. One of these fits nicely over here.
Which is lovely end axle.
But it doesn't fit at all on here.
Oh.
So with the power of science and the big hunk of metal behind us called a lathe, we're going to cut this down a bit so we can get that over. But the good thing about this yoke is this, what do you call this? Stem. Yes, centre stem can push out of it. So we're going to push that out of the bottom compared to our original one, which is welded, unfortunately. But this is aluminium and that's steel, so we're using two different types of metal here, but it should be fine. So then we can
should put some gloves on, man.
Yeah, I know, I'm proper shitty now. So we can yeah, skim this down a bit, get that new bearing to fit.
Radio's going fuzzy.
It is. Get it all back together and get a new bike. But first, to make things easier, we're going to push this out because this one, yeah, like I say,
gonna knock one out.
Has a weld, but this one don't. So we're going to use our press in the corner to get this out, and then we'll be able to fit in our lathe better. Right. So let's move over to the press and push one out. Right, tubers, this is our little press that we've got. As you can see, we've got the yoke in it currently. We're just lining it up.
With a misspent youth.
Yeah, all that pumping.
Yeah.
Yeah, this got a nice plate on it. Now, hopefully, this should come out relatively easy.
Ready?
But yeah, we'll have a go.
Well, there you go.
Look at that.
Pissed it.
Yeah.
Yeah, well, fucking try it, would you?
Now, yeah, this is one of our new additions to the workshop, this press.
Yeah.
What tonnage is this press?
6.
6 ton?
Yeah.
6 ton and barely used.
I think it was about £89 off of Amazon.
Oh, was it?
Yeah, it
well,
wasn't
I
much.
might even find that and put a link in the description there for that as well. But yes, there you go. Where are we? One of them.
Yeah.
And
only got one of them.
And one of them.
Yeah.
So, yeah, we're going to put this in the lathe now. Turn this end down a bit so we can get the bearing on, and then hopefully it'll fit nicely. Cool. Nice. So tubers, as you saw from that brief clip there, we had it on the lathe and managed to
turn it down.
Turn it right down. So now this bearing case that once was the same diameter slides over beautifully, and we can get our balls.
Well, you get your own.
And do the same thing. So look at that. So these are the original XJ bearings, so we're going to use them as that's how the headstock's already set up, and we've got the other set in there, and etc, etc. Use the original one on the lower, and we should be good to go. You're calling me that and you look like that.
Yeah.
So all we've got to do is get this now, put that back in there using our press in the corner, pop it back through, and then we're ready to set up, put it back in the headstock on the bike and work out how to properly attach it to make sure it's safe. But we know that our bearings are going to work now. So let's go back to the press. We're yeah, at the press and it's set up. Hopefully it'll go back in as easy as it came out. Let's find out. Well, it looks pretty impressive.
Well, really?
Yeah.
It is a lovely end axle.
Yeah, this is a bobbed, Bernard.
Proper pumping axle. Are we there yet?
No, not quite. Nearly.
That's got me there.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's it.
Cool.
There you go. That went that on, was it?
No, went back nicely again.
Pardon?
Went back, granted, went back nicely again.
Garlic.
Granted.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, the relief. Cool. And then you have one fully adjusted, thank you.
Oh, sorry.
One fully adjusted stem for all your yolks and push back in nicely.
Adjusted.
Oh, yeah,
Adapted.
Adapted, yes, good word.
Yeah.
Adapted stem. And there you have it, tubers, like we said, back in, ready to be fitted to the bike and work out what the next stage is. So
Burn it.
No, don't burn it. No, got much more
Put
to
it
do
out
on
its
it.
misery.
Yeah. Now once we finish the front end, we'll be moving on to the back end, and you will see that. But for today, thank you very much for watching us.
Like and subscribe, check out the Facebook.
Yes, and we'll see you again for the next one.
Yes.
Ta-ra.